Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix start menu not saving changes in Windows 11, 10. Type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand H key current user, click and expand software, click and expand Microsoft, click and expand Windows, click and expand current version. Rename Cloud Store to cloudstore.bach. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.